the best trip of my life. Once upon a time in the small town of Imaginationville, there lived a curious and adventurous kid named Alex. One sunny morning, as the birds chirped and the sun painted the sky with hues of pink and orange, Alex's parents surprised him with the news of a special trip, a journey that would turn out to be the best adventure of his young life. The destination was none other than Dreamland, a place where imagination knew no bounds and every dream could come true. Excitement bubbled within Alex as he packed his backpack with snacks, a treasure map, and his trusty stuffed animal, Mr. Fluffington. As the family embarked on their journey, they traveled through the enchanted forest, where talking trees whispered secrets and mischievous fairies played hide and seek. Alex's eyes widened with wonder as they made their way to the crystal lake, its sparkling waters reflecting the dreams of those who gazed upon it. The adventure took an unexpected turn when a mischievous, giggling cloud led them to the magic portal. With a deep breath, Alex stepped through, finding himself in a world filled with candy mountains and popcorn clouds. Giggles erupted from Alex as he danced through the candy cane forest, snacking on marshmallow bushes and jumping on licorice trampolines. As the day unfolded, the family discovered the Friendship Valley, a place where colorful creatures with big smiles welcomed them with open arms. They played games, shared stories, and learned the magic of kindness. Alex couldn't believe his luck. He was surrounded by new friends who laughed and played together, creating memories that would last a lifetime. The highlight of the trip was the Starlight Parade, a magical spectacle where shooting stars transformed into dazzling fireworks, lighting up the night sky. Alex clapped his hands and danced with joy, feeling like the luckiest kid in the universe. In Dreamland, time seemed to fly, and before they knew it, it was time to return home. With a heart full of joy and a backpack filled with magical memories, Alex hugged his new friends and bid farewell to Dreamland, promising to return someday. Back in Imaginationville, Alex couldn't wait to share the tales of his incredible adventure with everyone. As he closed his eyes each night, he could still hear the laughter of fairies and the rustle of candy wrappers in the wind. The best trip of Alex's life was not just a journey to a faraway land. It was a magical experience that taught him the power of imagination, the joy of making new friends, and the importance of cherishing every moment. And so, in the heart of Imaginationville, the tale of Alex's extraordinary adventure lived on, inspiring other kids to dream big and believe in the magic that lies within their hearts.